Welcome back to the channel, guys. Let's take a look at GBPUSD for the next day. That is for the 13th. That is on Monday. So to those that are yet to subscribe, if you've not clicked on that subscribe button, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So first, we would start with this movement. We can see that there's kind of like a drop. Then here happens to be a correction, right? Another drop here, and we can see this to be a correction. Now we will be expecting another drop on Monday. So basically, we would want to see this GBP USD come out to take out this lows. We can see this candlestick week is sticking at this bottom here. So at least that should be giving us, kind of like a 50, 50 to 70 pips. That is for Monday, right? Maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm going to, maybe if there's chance, I'm going to give you an update. But one thing we'll be watching out for on GBP USD is kind of like a drop downward to the 4-hour time frame, so we can see it. We will be expecting it to actually come to this lows, right? So this is what one of the reasons why I said GBP to USD to actually close bearish, though it might give us kind of like a pullback on this 4-hour time frame before it actually drop. So just have it in mind, it is this lows we want to close for the day, thereby giving us a bearish move for Monday. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to my Patreon channel, right, I've actually put out some content we'll be looking at. One of the trade we'll be looking at, I've put out trade for the week. I've also put out trade for the day. You can see it for Monday. High probability trade, right? That is what I'm watching out for. Trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. You can see WTI is one of those trades we'll be taking. And you can see Nasdaq 100. And I'm also going to be putting more trade. Once I get a better setup for this week, I'm going to take it, put it in this channel, so you can actually trade it with us. With just 20 USD, you'll be able to unlock some of the contents, right? Like I said, high probability trade is what we'll be taking for this week. Just give it a try, right? I'm going to put in more content once I get better setup so we can trade it together.